Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious baklava with a creamy filling. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready. This includes preparing the simple syrup in advance so it has ample time to cool completely. Having all your components ready before you begin assembly is key to a smooth and enjoyable baking process. This preparation sets the stage for a truly delightful dessert. Next, let's prepare our luscious cream filling. Combine milk, semolina, and sugar in a saucepan, cooking until it thickens into a rich, creamy consistency. For an authentic touch, stir in a teaspoon of rose water or orange blossom water, adding a beautiful aromatic flavor. Simultaneously, finely chop about 2 cups of your preferred nuts, such as pistachios or walnuts, preparing them for layering. Now for the exciting assembly. Begin by brushing each delicate phyllo sheet generously with melted butter. This is crucial for that signature crispiness. You'll create 2 bottom sections, each consisting of 10 buttered phyllo sheets. Carefully spread the cooled cream, filling evenly over the first 10-sheet section. Then, sprinkle a generous layer of your chopped nuts before adding the remaining phyllo sheets on top. Before baking, gently score your baklava into beautiful diamond or square shapes. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour, until golden brown and bubbly. Immediately after removing it from the oven, generously pour the completely cooled simple syrup over the hot baklava. Allow it to rest and fully absorb the syrup for at least 4 to 6 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.